Johnny Depp, the enigmatic star of both silver screen and global headlines, has embarked on an uncharted environmental adventure. Surprising the world, Depp has aligned himself with a group of expert conservationists, pouring resources and passion into preserving a near-mythical section of the Amazon rainforest. This clandestine mission, quietly in motion for over a year, showcases Depp's unwavering commitment to safeguarding our planet's lungs. Despite his high-profile image, Depp's retreat into the depths of the rainforest is a stark contrast to the lavish Hollywood lifestyle he's known for. The plan includes creating an eco-sanctuary aimed at protecting endangered species and fostering indigenous communities. The actor's dedication extends beyond mere philanthropy. He's personally crafted eco-friendly shelters within the region, emphasizing renewable energy and sustainable practices uncommon within affluent circles.